Hey class, this is Mrs. Lynn. Welcome to your first week of remote learning. Before we start, I just want to say that we really miss you and we hope that we get to see each other soon in person. Um, but in the meantime, just please stay safe and healthy at home and enjoy this extended time you get to spend with your families. So I thought because this is our first week together in a remote environment, let's start with something that you or we have done before in class already. So we're going to go to code.org and complete a lesson there. I'm going to walk you through how to log in from home in case you don't know how or don't remember. Um, and I just want you to pay attention to this class code. I think all of you have joined our class on code.org, but just in case you haven't, this is the code that you will need to join the session. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on my tab that already has code.org open, and this should be the first page you see when you go to the website. I'm gonna go to the upper right-hand corner and click sign in. All right. And then instead of filling out my information on the right or left hand side, I'm going to look for this continue with Google button. Okay, because we're going to be signing in using our GA School account. So this should take you to the sign in screen. Just like at school, you can look for your name and username, I guess, on this list. I see the one account that I want to use, which is a demo student account. Now, if you don't see your username, you can go ahead and click on use another account and then follow instructions there to sign in. But I'm going to go ahead and click demo student. And then I'm going to enter my password and click next. Oh, that didn't happen. Oh, here we go. So I can see that I'm logged in because on the upper right hand corner, I see my name right there. Okay. So right here, as soon as I'm logged in, I see the course that has been assigned to me. Now, this is actually a different class that I want you guys to try. So I'm going to actually go down and scroll down to the bottom. Actually, scroll back up, click my dashboard. I'm going to really quickly join the class that I have assigned to you so you can see what it's supposed to look like. So this is where if you, for some reason, haven't joined a section, you can come down here and type in that code. So our code was going to be SGXRWP. You should be joined already. When I double check, I think most of you are in there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the course that's assigned to me. And it will take a second. And right here is the assigned course. Now, I believe before Christmas break, we did the functions in Minecraft lesson already. So I'm going to have you guys skip to the swimming fish with Sprite Lab lesson, which is lesson 2. Okay, so when you see that, you're going to click on level 1. That's where everyone should start. I can see that there's 9 levels, the 9th level being free play. Okay, and there's some lesson extra. So that's extra games or activities that you can complete in case you move through these levels really quickly and want a little bit of a challenge for yourself. All right, so you're going to start with level 1, which is a video, and it just talks about what a Sprite Lab is. You're going to learn words like sprites, which is basically just an object or a character on the coding screen that you get to move around and manipulate. And then you're going to learn how to actually make changes to that sprite. So you're going to be able to make it move on the screen, make it maybe rotate, and change its appearance. So that's the lesson. Take your time. This is a self-paced lesson, which means you can go through it as quick or as slowly as you need. But I will be reviewing your work next week on the 31st. Thanks and see you later.